Why did I buy a helicopter? Because it's been a lifelong dream. I'm not getting any younger. I thought about, okay, I'm gonna learn how to fly. How am I gonna do this? I talked to a couple of people for what it costs to rent a helicopter. It made good financial sense to me to buy something. So with that, I didn't even think I was gonna go as far as to get my license, but now once I've done it, it's like, this is unbelievable. The more I fly, the more I'm trying to understand why isn't everybody in an Enstrom? It's got the high inertia system. The more I fly, the more sense it makes to own an Enstrom. That's why I have one. So then I had the opportunity, this is a birthday present, a 67-year-old birthday present, to come see the creator. So I came up, had the opportunity to come up and see how the helicopter is made. And what's amazing is the pride and the workmanship that goes into this machine. Talk to several of the people on the different lines. They've been here forever. They like what they're doing. Maybe that's why the machine is so safe.